You sit down, ask the AI to write a simple email, and what do you get back? Greetings, valued colleague. I hope this message finds you well. It sounds like a robot wearing a cheap suit. The standard advice is to fix this by giving the AI more context about yourself. You tell it you're a creator, or a small business owner, or a project manager. But there's a flaw in that approach. When you feed an AI your everyday context, you're just training it to be a highly personalized but still very boring version of yourself. If you treat this technology like an eager intern trying to learn your habits, it's going to keep giving you safe, average, intern-level work. What if you did the opposite? Instead of explaining who you are, you overwrite the AI's default settings with the personality of a world-class expert. Imagine dropping your new website layout into your chat window and having Steve Jobs tell you exactly why the design is a mess. We do this using the PREE method, or the Personality Reverse Engineering Engine. Think of it like a set of architectural blueprints for a human mind. You're mapping out the structural supports of how someone's brain works, so the AI can replicate them. It's essentially a legal brain heist. This changes how the AI operates. It stops acting like a generic assistant and starts filtering your problems through a high-level reasoning engine. Cloning a genius means breaking their personality into 5 text buckets. First is foundation. Who are they? Like visionary product designer. Second is mindset, including toxic traits like perfectionist. Third is voice. Specific vocabulary like magical or insanely great ensures the AI has the right energy. Adding those negative traits and specific words is what keeps the character consistent. It prevents the AI from defaulting back into being a polite, helpful robot that agrees with everything you say. The fourth bucket covers expertise. We list the actual frameworks they use to solve problems, like design thinking or premium pricing. Finally, we add contrarian beliefs. These unique hot takes include the idea that customers don't know what they want until you show it. Once the profile is finished, you just copy that text and paste it into your AI's system instructions. When you press enter, the AI is no longer playing a role. Because you've provided this specific data on their strategy and biases, the model now has a new set of rules for how to process your information. If you can clone one brain, you can clone 2 and put them in the same digital room. Instead of asking a single AI if your business idea is good, you can force 2 opposing experts to debate it while you take notes. On one side, you have a hyper-aggressive growth strategist who only cares about market capture and scaling as fast as possible. On the other, you have a minimalist philosopher who values structural simplicity and peace of mind over raw numbers. When you drop your idea between them, the growth expert will push for aggressive distribution, while the philosopher counters with product-led leverage. You get to sit back and watch these 2 perspectives clash. The value isn't just in the answers they give, but in the strategic friction that reveals the weak points in your plan. AI doesn't have to be a generic office assistant that helps you with your chores. You can turn your laptop into a boardroom filled with the most opinionated, brilliant, and weird advisory board ever assembled. Stop feeding AI your own context. Go execute a brain heist and get back to work.